Hi everybody, this is Brandy with Be Vintage Design and Decor, and today I'm bringing to you one of my recent thrifted hauls and the flips that I did on them. The first one is this little wooden bowl on top of a wooden pedestal. It's a handmade piece that I redid. I sanded it all down and gave it a paint job and a transfer. I painted it in the Dixie Belle Sawmill Gravy and just lightly distressed the edges on it and put a Prima transfer in the center. I think it makes an absolutely adorable centerpiece for someone's table or on their kitchen counter. Just holding some cute little decor items, some fall leaves would be pretty with a little fall pumpkin in the center or some Christmas ornaments. Turned out really cute. The second item is this lamp that I thrifted for $5.99, and it just needed an update. It was a beautiful lamp in great condition. You guys, look what just one coat of paint did to transform that lamp. That's painted in the same Dixie Belle French linen. Let me show you the label. Just finished up the one coat. Love that color. Look at how the coverage did over that dark lamp in just one coat. Love it. I think it'll only have to take 2 coats and then we'll be ready to wax it. And here's the finished product. The French linen with the white wax just really made this lamp and all its details pop. I actually waxed over the lampshade as well to lighten it up, and look at how that finial turned out. Just beautiful. I listed it for $38 in my booth. Here's my third item, and this is just a decor piece. I didn't have any before pictures other than from my haul video. I painted this one up in the French linen as well with the white wax. And I did get a little bit of a heavy hand when I was waxing, so some of the original gold came through, but I left it because I think it actually just adds a little bit to the piece. And it looks really great. It almost looks like cement, which is so cool. And it's just a nice heavy decor piece, would look great on someone's table or mantle. And then the last item I have for you are these 2 trees, these 2 little wooden handmade Christmas trees. And I painted them up with some black spray paint and then painted over them with some fluff in Dixie Belle and lightly distressed them. And actually some of that original green came through and the black. They have some at Hobby Lobby right now for sale, and they're pretty pricey. I just wanted to share one last item that I picked up off of Facebook Marketplace. I paid $15 for this scale, but I flipped it and made it look more farmhouse and sold it for $40. Just wanted to share it with you guys because I thought it turned out really great. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to tune in next week for the rest of my thrift haul makeovers.